So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your starting time code from a 1 to 0 or whatever you would like inside of the free version of Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So once you are inside of Davinci Resolve, you can probably see that your timeline starts with a 1. And I don't know why this is. It's probably some industry standard for something, but for most of us, it's probably really annoying. So this is how to change it. So for your specific timeline, just come up here to the media pool in the top left, and then inside of your bins, find the timeline that you're on, right click on it, timelines, and then press on starting timecode. Then you can change this to whatever you want, but I'm going to do 0 because that just makes sense. So if you type in 0 there, press OK. Now your timeline starts at 0 and it's not so confusing at how long your video is. But this won't change it for any new project later. So if you want to change it so that it will always start at 0, come up here to Davinci Resolve, come down to Preferences, and then over here you have to come to User, Editing, and then right here at the top, starting timecode. You can simply just click on this and then take that 1 to a 0, press save, and then anytime you start a new project, will always start at a 0 instead of a 1. So if this video was helpful or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.